From Devlali to Danapur, first train for transport material is named as what? This question I have discussed in the earlier video, but I am discussing it one more time. If you know the answer, kindly drop the answer in the comment section. And the answer is Kisan Rail or Kisan Special Parcel Rail. Okay, and it was flagged off by Narendra Tomar, and by the word Kisan, you can make out that this train carry not passengers but it carry vegetables and fruits. Okay, so it is meant for carrying the vegetables and fruits. And the railway minister is Piyush Goyal. The chairman of the railway board is VK Yadav, Vinod Kumar Yadav. And where is Devlali? It is in Maharashtra. Okay, and where is Danapur? It is in Bihar. So it carry the fruits and vegetables in between the states. Moving forward, Andhra Pradesh CM launched which app for cybercrime awareness? They launched the app called E-Raksha Bandhan. Raksha means protection. Okay. Which minister launched Bureau of Indian Standard mobile app? So it has been launched by the Consumer Affairs Minister, and the current having the charge as the Ministry of Consumer Affairs is Mr. Ram Vilas Paswan. Which minister addressed grand finale of online hackathon? It has been by the Prime Minister and through the online conference. In Delhi, Defence Minister dialogue held between India and which country? It was held between India and the partner country is Indonesia. The capital is Jakarta. Fourth Khelo India Games will be hosted by which state? It will be hosted by state of Haryana. First Chief Minister to chair the India Visual Cabinet from the hospital is the CM of Madhya Pradesh, and he is Shivraj Chauhan, and the Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Anandiben, who is having the additional charge with the state of Uttar Pradesh. The first Indian free to cross 7 million followers on social media is Instagram. Okay. Recently, Long March 4B rocket launched from Zhiyun satellite by which country? It has been launched by China. 14th Economic and Trade Committee was chaired by which minister? Okay, so it will be chaired by Piyush Goyal, and he is having the industry minister, and it will help between India and UK. Okay, so between India and UK, and chaired by Piyush Goyal. So there is misprint in option. IRCTC and which card launches co-brand contactless credit card? So the contactless credit card has been launched by SBI, State Bank of India. First batch of Rafale jet landed in which city? It landed in Ambala. India's largest power generation utility, NTPC, plans to set solar power project in which country? And it will be coming in Sri Lanka. And it under the aegis of ISA, International Solar Alliance, and write the headquarters of ISA in the comment section. According to the report of the status of tiger, co-predator and prey in India, tiger reserve with the highest tiger density. The highest tiger density you will find in Corbett Tiger Reserve, also known as Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. It is in Uttarakhand, UT. And Kanha Tiger Reserve is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And Bandipur Tiger Reserve is in Karnataka. The most asked questions. Which chemical plant of Spain become first of the kind to operate on the 100% renewable energy? It's SABIC. Second England cricketer who claimed 500 test wickets in test cricket series is Stuart Broad. He is an England cricketer. 4 new schemes of Department of Pharmaceuticals for promotion of domestic manufacturing of drugs and medical parks by which minister? It has been launched by Sadananda Gowda, and under which ministry? Under Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. Which state forest department start snow leopard estimation project with camera traps? So it is the state of Uttarakhand. Which Indian ferry won prestigious Gustav Creative Award for excellence in boat and boating? It's Adit. Which PSU under Power Ministry signed with IIT in smart grid technology? So they have signed with IIT Kanpur. And which bank to India from ADRF, Asia Pacific Disaster Response Force, is the name of the bank is ADB, Asian Development Bank. Headquarters is in Manila. SABIC chemical plant of which country fast to operate on the 100 renewable energy? This question I have discussed earlier, and the answer is Spain. So name the country, name is important, and the chemical plant. Okay. Union Cabinet approved NEP by schools by which year? It was applicable by year of 2030. And National Education Policy. Who is Indian climate activist named by two new group comprising leaders to promote problems? So his name is Deepa Sahai. Okay. And World Natural Conservation Day is observed on 28th of July. Center with which bank had decided to convert large area of remain water with arable land? So the answer is World Bank. And what is the remain area? It's the area of Gwalior Chambal belt of MP. So it's basically the area is in MP, Gwalior Chambal belt. Okay. First Indian origin politician designated as the leader of opposition in Singapore. So his name is Pritam Singh. High intensity naval exercise conducted in which sea? It is conducted in the Sea of South China Sea. And in this exercise the New Zealand was not included. So New Zealand does not have a chance to perform with other countries. First state to have three capitals in India is what? So is Andhra Pradesh, and the three capitals are, first capital is Visakhapatnam, that is the executive capital, having the executive charge. The legislative capital is Amravati, which is the capital, and the judicial capital, okay, is Kurnool. Okay. So due to the power of separation, government is divided into three parts and all are having the capital system. Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission launches which program for robust ecosystem focus on create high performance? So the name of the program is AIM Creased. So the first option. Zira, Japanese and Reliance enter with bank for full finance thermal power generation project in which country? So you have to tell the country name is Bangladesh. Okay. Cricketer who is the cricketer of England as the member of House of Lords of British. So he was the country and now he has become a member of House of Lords in the British Parliament. The name is Ian Botham. Answer A. Muslim Women Right Day is observed on which day? So it is observed on 1st of August. And what was the theme? The theme for this time is free from TT, triple talaq. So triple talaq, which was passed in the year 2017. Okay. So the theme for it has free from triple talaq. First State Forest Department opened first conservation center for snow leopard, and the state is Uttarakhand. First country in the Arab world to produce nuclear energy, and which country? It is UAE, United Arab Emirates, as which is nuclear power plant is Barka nuclear power plant. Barka nuclear power plant. MobiKwik launches which UPI payment link to send and receive money? So it mpay.me. So option D. According to the UNICEF and Pure Earth, which metal is affect child non-massive unknown scale? Children non-massive unknown scale is by lead. Small Industry Bank, with which Union launched one stop knowledge portal. So the name of the portal is Micro Small Medium Enterprises Shaksham. Which minister launched portal Ayush Mission? So it has been launched by Minister of Ayush, and who was he? He is Shripad Yesho Nayak. He is having the Ayush Ministry. Why first time become world number one supplier of what? They have gained this rank in smartphone. Former chairman of the Coal India now key panel that deal violation of environment rules. Who is he? He is Anil Kumar Jha. Mr. Anil Kumar Jha. First company to certify PCI, and the full form of PCI is Payment Card Industry, is MyPinPaid. Okay, MyPinPaid. Which is the first country to resume Facebook and Google to pay news contest? Is first country is Australia. First CAPF to have supplied from Khadi and village industry in the common commission is ITBF, Indo Tibetan Border Police, and the chairman, the chief of it is SS Deswal. The SSB Shastri Simhabal, the chief is Rajnikant Mishra. The CAPF current chief is RR Bhatnagar, and CISF chief is Rajesh Ranjan. Remember the chief of these CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces. Which country set how public agencies should use algorithms that drive decision by making? So the country name is New Zealand. World Day Against Human Trafficking is observed on which day? It is observed on 30th of July. First hydrogen filling station for passenger train launched in which country? It has been launched in the Germany. Which northeast region to get Bandicoot, a manhole robot? So basically Bandicoot is a name of a robot that go into the sewage, and this robot will clean up the sewage. Okay, so to eliminate the casteism, because scheduled caste and Dalit are the only ones who were forced to do this. So Bandicoot robots are made, and they are basically made for this purpose, cleaning purpose. So it's work as a manhole robot. So it has been launched in Guwahati. Okay, and it has been launched by the Guwahati Municipal Corporation. Which city topped the list of the aspirational district? The aspirational district has been topped by Bijapur, and Bijapur is in Chhattisgarh state. And the list has been given, the aspirational list has been given by Niti Aayog. Okay, Niti Aayog is known as the think tank of India, and E-Symposium organized by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center for Policy Research and Analysis, by which IM, it was by the IM Shillong. First country to approach United Nations owns China territory. So the first country who approaches is India, and it was against the Gateway for Global Trade, a gateway for global trade. Minister launched tree plantation campaign. What is the name of the campaign? So the name of the campaign is Vriksh Ropan Abhiyan. Abhiyan means campaign, Vriksh is tree. So it's the Hindi version. IOA made 11-member Game Association of India under presidentialship of whom? So who will be the president of 11-member committee by IOA, and it will be headed by whom? So it will be headed by Narendra Batra. So remember the name of the head, Narendra Batra. He will act as the president. First DGCA Drone Training Institute is at what? So it will be at Bombay Flying Club, option A, and it is approved by Director General of Civil Aviation. Which region saffron got geographical indication? That is the Kashmir. So from saffron you can clue that it will be Kashmir only. New governor of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, the new governor is Anandiben Patel. She is having the additional charge of the UP also. Currently, when I am making this video, she is the governor of UP and MP both. And remember Bhagat Singh, he is the governor of Maharashtra. Kalraj Mishra, he is the governor of Rajasthan. Anil Baijal, he is the governor of Delhi. Recently, who met as a member of the Parliament Standing Committee on External Affairs? So, External Affairs Parliamentary Standing Committee is a member is Rangan Gogoi. He is the former CJI, and current CJI is Justice S.A. Bopte, and next CJI will be N.N. Ramanna. Okay. And Justice Faisal Ali was the first judge who retired from the Supreme Court. So he is having the committee, Justice Faisal Ali along with H.N. Punchu, and they were from the border area committee. They also formed a Faisal Ali committee. Ministry of Earth and Science launched app Indian Meteorological Department. Name of the app is what? So name of the app is Mausam. So Meteorological Department is for the climatic condition. So you can guess that it will be Mausam only. Who is recently appointed as the honorary advisor to steering committee on BRICS. So honorary advisor is Salil Seth, Mr. Salil Seth. Bank of India plays website report of committee for analysis of QR headed by whom. So it will be headed by whom? It will be headed by DB Pathak. And as a part of IIT Bombay. Scientists receive microbes from sediment deep sea floor of what? So they receive sediment floor of deep sea floors of South Atlantic. What Sanskrit Day is observed on 3rd of August? IIT Formula student team will become first to win engineering design competition held in UK. So from which way IIT? They are from IIT Bombay. Home Ministry inaugurated 2-day international web webinar on self-reliant organized by ICCR, and it will be on Lokmanya, who is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was known as Lokmanya. And who is Loknath? Loknayak. Loknayak is Jayaprakash Narayan. So NN Loknayak. Madan Mohan Malviya was known as Mahaman. Okay. And Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was also known as Frontier Gandhi. IFSCA International Financial Service Center Authority constituted 7-member committee to suggest way to enhance retail in IFSC, headed by whom? So it will be headed by Pradeep Shah. Environment Ministry of BRICS country meeting took place under the presidency of whom? So which country will act as a presidency? It will be acted by Russia. Which bank credit card got offering of convenient and affordable EMI option with innovative solution? So the name of the bank is Bank of Baroda, BOB. HLEG set up 2 measures for performance initiative for state to encourage what? So does to encourage agriculture export. End of the video, and I will be covering more questions on month of August, and then I will be covering the questions on July and June. So please like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends so that everyone could be helpful in getting the current affair, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.